Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys how to fill in missing part of a track on an audio file. This is a audio file that I copied from a tape, a DJ tape that was given to me in when I was in high school in the 80s. Basically, the left side stopped working when I tried to. I did something happened and the left side stopped working. So I'm gonna play you a sample of it. See, the right speaker you could hear it, and the left speaker you don't hear anything. So anyway. So this is how I did it. I watched a few videos online about it, but basically what I had to do is do it mostly manual. Let me see. Is this zoomed out? Yes. Okay. Sorry for the shaking, and there's noise outside. They're doing construction. But anyway, first thing I do is split stereo into mono. So you click right here. Come on, focus. Is this focusing or what? Anyway, I'll do the best I can here. So you click here. Well, you got, this is the normal. First, you got to load up the section that you want to replace with audio from the other channel. So basically you go right here, split stereo to mono. Now I would try to find the, why isn't this focusing? Hold on a second. There you go. I would find where you want to start splitting. So I would start a little bit here. I mean the audio that you want to copy. So you want to copy it. I mean, you want to highlight it this much. See, the audio is back in this spot. Wow, my hands are shaking. All right, here we go. I have to rest the phone on the computer over here next to me. So I would go to this part right here. And then you would just say edit and copy. Now make sure you're highlighting it on the part that you want to copy, on the track that you want to copy, not on this one when you highlight it. So drag it from from the track that has audio to the part where you want to stop it. Then you edit and copy. Now you click over here. Well, actually, no. Let me do this again because I forgot a major part. So let's see. I would say start copying from here to about here. Now what you gotta do is, you have numbers here. What you want to do is write these down. The audio position, start and end selection, you gotta write those down. And make sure that you keep the exact location. So I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna do a screenshot and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, I screwed up highlighting it, so I'm gonna show you guys one more time. This is a different selection, just slightly different, because I had to redo it. But I'm gonna show you how to how to save this data. I have a free application called GreenShot in here. You can get it on ninite.com. It's like a Ninite, NINITE, I believe, .com. It basically installs applications with one click after you download the little file that installs it. Anyway, so I highlighted this. I got the times. I click on my green shot icon, and then I do capture region. Then it lets me capture a region. So let me capture the region here. Probably the first one you don't need because it's the same thing on both columns. So I highlighted that. Now it's giving me these choices. I'm going to go to MS Paint because it's the easiest. And it opens up MS Paint right here with the data you just highlighted. So now keep that in mind. So let me refocus again, since I'm holding the phone further away. Alright, so now you got the data right here of the position start. Now what you do, you right click, actually no, it's already in there. You edit, click on edit and copy. Now you go right here on this track, the top track, and you gotta match the starting position with the data that you have here, the starting and ending position. Let me refocus again. So the audio position looks like it didn't change. Oh yeah, it did. Yeah, because I clicked it back to exactly almost the same. So anyway, the cursor is right here. So you got to match up these numbers. I'm going to match up these numbers here onto the actual selection. I'll be right back. I'm going to pause this. Oh, just to show you quickly, what you could do is, like, if you want to make the where is this? 896 into 873. Whoops, I pushed something. So you highlight the number, like right here, and you could scroll with the mouse up and down to match these numbers. Come on, focus. All right. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do a second digit, which is 3. And you scroll down to make it 3. I'll do the same thing for the other two from your screenshot. I'll be right back. When you don't have to do the first audio position one. You could just do the start and end of the position. You could just do these ones. Now, when you do this one here, when you do the second one, you're gonna see that on top, it's gonna get highlighted, so automatically. So I'm gonna show you. So it starts to get highlighted. Now I gotta adjust the small numbers at the end here. Whoops. It's hard to record and do this at the same time. Let me see what the number is. 744. And okay, let me double check. 2 minutes, 283, 873, 53744. So these numbers now match up these numbers. So now that's the portion that you're replacing from the one from the bottom. And then you go to edit and paste. Boom. Now you could go back. Now you could go up here and make stereo track, basically. So now if I highlight this,